everyone and happy Monday! Welcome to another eBay bestseller video. So every Monday I release a new hot selling product video to our channel. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified on every new video we release. Let's get started. Alright, so the product that I came across on eBay was this adjustable invisible folding laptop computer PC stand. As you can see that the condition is new and it comes in a couple of different colors such as black, pink, gray, and brown. I'm going to select gray. You can see that there are 65 sold for $13.99. So when I came across this item, I was really interested in seeing the statistics for laptop stands. So I jumped into the Zik Analytics product research and typed in laptop stand. Looking at the stats, you can see that the sales earnings in the last 30 days are $50,000 and the average product price is $27.47. The successful listings is at 72%, which means that out of the top 100 listings on eBay, 72 listings successfully sold. Scrolling down to the product list to check out some of these laptop stands. The first item that's been sold the most is this adjustable folding 360 degrees notebook laptop desk table stand. It sold 354 times for $25.99. The laptop stand I found on eBay is this one right here, and it sold 63 times in the last 30 days for $13.99. Now, because I was satisfied with the number of sales for this laptop stand as well as the price and the statistics are great, I actually went to the supplier AliExpress and found the same exact item selling for $8.14. Also comes in gray, black, pink, and brown. And they offer free shipping to the United States. Now, this is only one accessory out of the niche laptop accessories. You don't have to stick to laptop stand. There are a lot of products under the niche laptop accessories. But now that we have the information for this product, let's jump into the profit and conclusion part of this video. Alright guys, so at the top we have the eBay product selling for $13.99. Below that we have the AliExpress product selling for $8.14, and they did offer free shipping, so the total cost is $8.14. Now let's say we were to sell our AliExpress product on eBay for $13.95, minus 14% of eBay and PayPal fees, minus 30 cents, which also fall under the eBay and PayPal fees, minus our AliExpress purchase price of $8.14, we get a profit of $3.55 for every sold item. Having such an item in your store can increase your profit as well as bring traffic through your store. These easy to sell products are what make people have customized computers, and people are always looking for ways to be different. Now, this is only one product under the niche laptop accessories. Make sure to check the other ones out. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get updates on every video that we post. As always, stay safe and see you next time.